In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. Let's dive straight into the process and ensure that your tax setup is seamless and straightforward. First off, you need to visit Zoho Books. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings. This section of Zoho Books is your central hub for customizing your account to suit your business needs, including setting up taxes. Once you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to locate the Taxes option. It should be easy to find as it's clearly listed among the options in this menu. Go ahead and click on Taxes to navigate to the Tax Settings area. Within the Tax Settings, you'll see a button labeled New Tax. This is where you'll start entering the details of the taxes relevant to your business. Clicking on New Tax will lead you to a form where you can input new tax information. Here, you need to type in the tax name. This is an identifier for the tax you're creating, so make it clear and specific. For example, you might name it Sales Tax, VAT, or whatever descriptor best suits this particular tax for easier tracking. After you've named your tax, the next step is inputting the tax rate. This is typically a percentage, such as 5% or 10% depending on your jurisdiction or the type of tax, and make sure you enter this figure accurately to avoid any accounting discrepancies down the line. In some cases, your business might be subject to what's known as a compound tax bias. If this applies to you, make sure to click on the This Tax is a Compound Tax checkbox. A compound tax means that the tax will be calculated based on the total of a sale amount plus another tax. This step is crucial for accurately reflecting such compounded tax rates in your records. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, review everything one more time to ensure it's all correct. If you're happy with your entries, go ahead and click on Save. This action will store your new tax rates in Zoho Books, and you're all done. Setting up taxes correctly is critical for maintaining precise books and ensuring compliance with local tax laws. With your taxes now properly set up in Zoho Books, you should have a smoother time managing your business finances. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.